Hey, are you searching for a mini PC? Then this video is for you. Before we start, please don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best price. If you want desktop-level power packed into a compact and modern design, the Beelink SER9 Pro AI Mini PC is one of the most exciting mini computers available right now. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor with 12 cores and 24 threads, this machine delivers incredible performance for gaming, multitasking, AI workloads, content creation, office productivity, and entertainment. With boost speeds reaching up to 5.1 GHz and combined AI performance of up to 80 TOPS, this mini PC is built for the future of AI computing. One of the biggest highlights is the integrated AMD Radeon 890M graphics powered by RDNA architecture, offering excellent graphics performance for video editing, casual gaming, 3D rendering, and even AI-assisted creative workflows. The system also features a powerful XDNA 2 NPU with 50 AI TOPS, helping accelerate AI image generation, voice processing, and advanced computing tasks. Another impressive feature is the 32 GB LPDDR5X high-speed memory combined with a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, providing extremely fast performance, smooth multitasking, and quick loading times for demanding applications. Storage can even be expanded up to 8 TB, making this compact PC surprisingly versatile for professional use. The SER9 Pro also excels in connectivity with USB 4 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port for high-speed networking and multiple display setups. You can connect up to 3 screens simultaneously, making it ideal for multitasking, trading setups, productivity workflows, or creative studios. Cooling is another area where this mini PC performs exceptionally well. The advanced MSC 2.0 cooling system keeps temperatures under control while maintaining whisper-quiet operation as low as 32 decibels, making it great for offices, bedrooms, and quiet workspaces. The built-in dual speakers and AI-enhanced microphone system also improve the user experience by delivering clear audio and smart voice recognition without requiring extra accessories. One small drawback is that heavy AAA gaming at ultra settings may still require a dedicated desktop GPU for the highest performance levels. However, for most users looking for an ultra-compact, powerful, and future-ready computer, the Beelink SER9 Pro delivers exceptional value and versatility. Overall, this AI mini PC is perfect for creators, professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts who want serious performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides.